Hello, today I'm going to explain you the software of hotel management system. This software keeps a record of customers and also calculate the customer bill slips and also manages the employee salary. The aim of this software is to computerize the system of hotel. Hotel management system is a software not only keeps the record of various people like customer or employee, but as well as it reduces extensive paperwork in the present system. It is user-friendly software. It will make the system more versatile. It also calculates the proper billing slip of high level and middle level customers. This software is based on description about the structure of hotel management system. It provides various services like food, beverages service, room service, uniform, laundry. It also provides some additional services like club, bank services, swimming pool, theatre, hospital, library service, post office, etc. This software contains various modules like file, transaction, receipt, update transaction, customer, report, configure, help, buy. Let's start with the first module, file. It contains various sub-modules like view all room, database backup, load database, status client, logout, exit. Let's start with the first sub-module, and that is view all room. Yes, this is the form through which you can see how the total number of rooms in the hotel. And before booking any room, you can check whether the room is available in this hotel or not. The first field shows the total number of rooms in the hotel. The second field will show the available rooms, and the third one is unavailable room. Let's move to the second module, that is database backup. The third one is load database. The fourth one is set as client, and the fourth one is logout, and the final is exit. If you want to get log out of this software, you simply need to press this button, and again if you want to log in, after writing the username and password, you can log in. And if you want to get out of this software, you can simply need to click this button, exit button. You will out of the software. Now let's move to the next important module, and that is transaction. It again divided into sub modules like check-in, booking, check-out, add charges, added charges. Let's start with the first sub module, check-in. Yes, this is the form of check-in, customer check-in form. Whenever the customer comes into the hotel. Now let's move to the next important module, and that is transaction. Transaction module also contains sub modules like check-in, booking, check-out, add charges, added charges. Let's first start with the first sub module, check-in. Yes, this is the form of check-in. Whenever the customer comes into the hotel, we need to store the information about the customer. So this is the form of check-in. The customer need to fill this form, and after, like, the first field is customer name, customer ID, gender, address, passport number, contact number, all the information regarding the customer. And after filling this form, we need to press this check-in button, and the information regarding the customer will automatically save. The next sub module is booking. Whenever the customer wants to book any room, customer need to fill this form. The first field is again customer name, customer ID, gender ID, all the general information regarding the customer. And after filling this form, we just have to press this booking button, and the required room will get booked. The third module is checkout. Before leaving from the hotel, the customer need to fill this checkout form. Again, the general entries like customer name, customer ID, gender, address, etc. And after filling this form, we need to press this checkout button, so that the hotel manager or the hotel management can keep the record of the customer. Now the next module is add charges. This is the add charges form through which we can add the charges of the facilities like food, other laundry, etc. Added charges. If you want to add the charges of the services, we can easily do this through this form. Now the next module is receipt. The sub module is booking receipt, checkout receipt. The first one is booking receipt. Alright, this is the booking receipt form. After booking any room in the hotel, if you want to get the receipt, you need to fill this form. Again, the general entries like room number, room type, floor, customer name, address, preview. After pressing the preview button and the print button, we can have the receipt of the booking. The next is checkout receipt. After leaving from the hotel, the manager fill this form. Room number, room type, floor, customer name, address, all that. And finally, we need to press this print button so that we can have the receipt of customer, checkout customer. Now the next module is update transaction. The first sub module of this update transaction is update check-in information. If you want to update the information about the check-in customer, we can do this through this form. The first field is customer name. So this is the form through which we can easily update the information regarding the check-in customer. And similarly, we can update the information regarding the customer after booking any room in the hotel. So let's move to the next important module, and that is customers. The first sub module of this customer module is add customer. This is the form through which we can add the customer. The first field is customer name, gender, date of birth, address, city, state, country. All these are general entries, and after filling all these entries, we need to press this save entry button so that we can add the customer easily. The next is search added customer. Through this form, we can easily search the customer, and also with the same form we can add the information regarding the customer. The next module is report. The first sub module of this report module is check-in report, booking report, checkout report. The first module is check-in report. Yes, this is a very short form like a pop-up. We can have the report of the check-in customer by selecting this radio button, like check-in only of the today customer, like selecting this and check-in form like that, and after pressing the preview button or print, we can have the report. The next is booking report. Yes, this is the form through which we can have the report of booking room. The next is checkout report. This is the form through which we can have the report of checkout. The next is configure. Configure module contains 4 sub-modules like configuration wizard, room, setup user, change username, password. Let's start with the room module. Yes, this is the information regarding the room information. If you want to add the type of room, we need to press this button, add room type. The next form will open on the screen. We can add like single room. Unit price, suppose 3000 rupees per room. We need to press the save button. Save successfully. Message will open. You can see the single room, the room type. So now the room type is double room or single room. So through this form we can fill the information regarding the room. Setup user. Yes, this is the form through which we can set the user, the new user of this software. The first field is first name, the second is last name, username, password, confirm password, permission, whether the user is simple user or the admin. Admin is the special user, or we can say the owner of the software. And after filling this form, after filling this information, we need to press the set button. This is the sub module called change username or password. This is the form through which we can change our password. The next module is help. It also contains 3 sub modules like help, contain, about, purchase license. This is the module through which we can get the information about this software, and if we have any query regarding this software, we can easily take the help through this web. The next module is buy. If we want to buy this software online, we simply need to press this button. So this is the software of hotel management system. There are some shortcut on the screen, like the first one is check-in. After pressing this check-in shortcut, the check-in form will open on the screen. As I told you the working of this form already. The next shortcut is booking. After pressing this booking button, the booking form will open on the screen. Similarly, the other shortcuts are like checkout form, view all room. If you want to see the information of the room, like whether the room is available in the hotel or not. The next shortcut is setup user and log out, and the final is exit. If we want to get out of the software, we need to press this exit button. So this is the software of hotel management system, which keeps the record of customers and also calculate the customer bill slips and manages the employee salary, etc. This is user friendly software and fully customized. It reduces the paperwork also. Thank you.